Are you tired of wasting hours stuck on a single doubt? Imagine solving your toughest questions for free. In this video, I'll show you how to study smarter, not harder, using Doubt Solver AI tools available right now. Whether you're preparing for JEE, NEET, board exams, or college tests, this tool can change the way you learn forever. So what is Doubt Solver AI? These are smart tools powered by machine learning. Just snap a pic or type a question, and within seconds, you get step-by-step answers and explanations. Let's explore some top free Doubt Solver AIs for students. First up, Socratic by Google. Snap a photo and get instant solutions. Next, Doubtnut is perfect for the Indian curriculum and offers Hindi explanations. Don't forget Microsoft Math Solver. It's best for step-by-step math solutions. Additionally, Khan Academy GPT or ChatGPT plugins can break down tough concepts in seconds. Now let's do a live demo. I'll upload a challenging math question into Microsoft Math Solver. Watch how fast and clear the answer appears. Let's repeat this for a physics or chemistry problem to see the efficiency. To study smarter, use these tools daily to build confidence. Here's how. First, use AI to solve your doubt. Then watch a related concept video. Finally, reattempt without the tool. That's how you study smarter, not just faster. If you found this helpful, drop a like and comment AI Buddy if you plan to try this. Don't forget to subscribe for more student hacks powered by AI.